Treasure Roberts is joining us now live with areas affected. Treasure.
Lauren, I'm here at the Peoria Speedway, and yes, it's been raining on and off all day. I'm so happy I wore my rain boots today. But if you can look right behind me, the Peoria Speedway is flooding quite a bit, and I talked to the owner earlier today. He said this is not the first time that it's happened. A couple years ago, they actually had a flood on the Speedway that was 6 feet tall. That's like a swimming pool. So this is not only affecting the Speedway, it's affecting other businesses and could affect residents. So the best thing to do is prepare. Always have a plan for your family. Also take photos of the things in your house so that you can file an insurance claim later, and make sure you keep the very important documents such as birth certificates and passports. So you can find out more about the preparation tasks you need to do and this story later tonight on WICZ at 9. In Peoria, Treasure Roberts, WMBD News.
Treasure, thank you.